Hello everyone, this is a site called Timebucks and I want to show you on how to make money on this site. Let's go.
So what you have to do is go to tax, click on this tax to load, and you see back to end, you click on back to end.
I'll click back to end. Now after I click back to end, you see games, tax, push clicks, links, repair, offer or survey. So I'll go to push links and you click on this push links. You see please confirm you are not a bot. Now if you are able to do this, you'll be credited between $0.002 upward. That is between $0.002 to $0 to $10 please. I'm having a problem because I think it is not working. I just need this to work. Well, you guys should know what is happening when you're saying verifying stock here. Just know that you have to click on a box after this in the script running. Then I'll go back here. It's not working. But there's also another part called I click back to end, go to clicks, I go to clicks again. Then this thing we have to do. If that other capture is not loaded, I wonder whether this will load. Just so that you will click on this, I will show you the video that way. And this is also game. These games you have to go to in any of these offer world. Now let me click on BitLab. You see the games there. I don't know whether there will be games. Okay, there's no games in BitLab. I'll go back and I'll click on Game Center. Okay, I'm not a fucking big fan of games, so probably I do not play this. Let me show you. I click on play now. If you complete 40 level, you'll credit you this. After that, complete 60 level, you'll credit you this. Complete 80 level, you'll credit you this. Complete 100 level, you'll credit you this. 150, 500, and 1000. I'm not into all this game. I'm not a very big fan of these games. Some of you would love to play it, but I'm not a big fan. No matter whether I'm seeing $603.21. That's up to, let me see, 900,000. I'm not still playing that. Now I'm going to go to back to end. I go to survey. Now there's also a survey. This new survey you're seeing here is also a survey. But I'm going to survey. Inside so many survey. Let me see. Normally you should know that you will not qualify for all survey. That should be it. You see, it was not qualified. So I'll click on back to the end. I will show you this offer. Choose any of these offer. You'll be taken to, let me choose Toros. Yes, this is Toros. With airtime bonus and more coins. Now you can choose any of these. I know that this is in cents, and you should know how many cents is equals to $1. 100 cents equals to $1. So if you are doing this first one is 14. Is equals to, I think it's 14. Maybe. Let me see. $14.94. This one is not. This one is just 0. But just 50 coins. And back to end. You will see. Now you see repair. Timebucks. Now they are actually running a free referral sign-up bonus. you get a pay for $0.40 for your first referral. So if you get this money, it's a boost to your account. For every referral sign up, you get a random bonus of 0.12 to $150. Wow, that's enough for me. And you copy your link and you share it to your friends. Then let's go to background. There's also what they call an offer. Actually, offer remaining tax. Now this tax is the one. This is your submission. This is the dispute. Maybe you had a problem or stuff like that. Now let's go back to end tax. I'll click on the tax again. It's loading. And let's do something. Tax. Let's see. Success crediting time. Let's do submit. And these are the fastest one that will credit now. Let me see whether this is a WhatsApp channel. I'll do a tax for you and you see it all. Let's see. Let's see. Good. Motorcycle. Verify. Please try again. Stairs. Okay. Okay. Right here, YouTube says isn't my YouTube channel. Okay, I forgot the instruction. And then you say we should this subscribe to. Okay. Yes, I'll go to the person profile and just do like this. Subscribe. I'll show the screenshot here. This. I'll go to like this. Like I forgot my name. My name is Prince J. That's Prince J. Yes, Prince J. Just do like this. Just browse the image and click on this and to upload. Then let me write my text. I should write my text. I just write Prince Jerry. Because the instruction says require both text input and a screenshot upload as a proof copy. Use this below. Submit a screenshot and write your YouTube username. Yeah, the Prince Jerry is my username. I'll just do that is submit. Just subscribe to that. I subscribe to the medium already subscribe. I'll just do submit for approval. Link is wait. Just wait a second. Okay. It has successfully reduced. So now I just have to complete that tax. So I have to do I just showed you on how to complete the tax part. It's easy and fun. So as I go to complete your tax, most I need to involve some screenshots. Now this is the 3 lines I just showed you. I'll click on it again. Yes. Now this is your dashboard. This is the dashboard. This will show you the bonus, how much you have earned today. I've earned $0.1177 this week, and today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. I'm almost half of the week and I've earned 0.16. If I earn 0.40, I'll get this bonus. Then this is the earnings. Okay, we have no earnings for today. Okay, I've earned this today. Then you guys go for referral earnings. Actually, no, my referral does this 0. Okay, then I'll go to earn. When you click on earn, it will just look like that of when we click tax and then we click on back to earn. Now I just click here. This may not appear for yours, but this is for me to be able to withdraw my money. Then I'll go to advertise. You can also advertise here, that you can use your own balance to do that, like city funds, a penny, this thing, adding to their receivable cents, something like that. So yes, I think the lowest here is stuff like that. So I just click on here and go to ladder. This is the ladder showing the top earner. The top earner and $157. This is the USA earner. Then I'll just click on here again. I'm showing you guys around. You see the payment. After this payment, you see no withdraw button. Payment are sent daily automatically, Monday to Friday. If you have reached the minimum because of you see a countdown for when the invoice and the payment generated. So 2 hours 15 minutes, then the invoice will be generated and the payment will be sent 10 hours later. I'm able to verify it, my payments will be sent, but I'm using it for this vendor stuff. Now my completion, what you have completed, this is what you have earned. You can see this $0.120. My clicks, I clicked this, push clicks, clicks, daily pulls. There's a daily pull of $0.00. So many stuff like that. This kind of money I've earned recently. Then this is setting. Yeah, this is your setting. This is your profile. This is where you see your password. If you want to change your password, if you can change your password using the form. You just click here. They will send an email, send something to your mail. They send something to your mail. Then you click on it. Then you need to change your this thing. And this is your email. I do have a strong network issue. Then this is your notification. Then you see payments. Okay. Yes. No withdraw button. Payment are sent automatically Monday to Friday if you reach the $5 minimum payout. Now this is the one I did. This is my ATM. I tell you guys I'm using ATM. Yeah. Not to worry me. I'm using ATM. Actually, they may say they have paper, but actually, because there's no paper for Nigeria users. Yes, and just to profile. This is my profile. Yeah, that's all for now. And this is how the site is. You can just go like this. And yeah, this is the message. You can see a message here. Yeah. You'll see a message. You'll see a message by clicking here, and also your wallet. This is your wallet. I just click on wallet, so everything you have earned today will show here. Okay, thanks for listening to me on how to make money on Timebucks. Yeah, let me see whether this works out again. I don't have a serious network again. Now just waiting a bit. Just wait a little longer. Okay, I think this is another issue. So that's where we stop for today at Timebucks.